APPS stock analysis and APPS stock prediction. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So as I'm practically looking at Digital Turbine stock with a 6% correction, I'm just zooming out, and honestly, like, I know it's corrected down 6%, but I've not made a video in this thing since February. So you know, first time analyzing it, and since I made it, it has actually delivered from 4 to like 8, almost 8, you know, 6, almost 7, which is very great. I like this at Wattle, I mean, very much. So what this means is that, yes, I do have this demand zone here. If this sort of doesn't pull down a bit and doesn't give me that double break, then I'm not gonna be buying. My bad. Here's that top. I mean, all I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting here. That's it. So waiting for rules. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, sure, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.